Hi everybody, so for Black Friday, one of the two Amazon.co.uk box sets that I bought was Hannibal, the complete collection. I've never seen this show before, but I've heard fantastic things about it, and I am a massive fan of Mads Mikkelsen. Just recently I got the Royal Affair Blu-ray just for £3, which I thought was a steal, especially as in I got it in FOP, and the parent store HMV was selling it in the either 3 for £20 or 5 for £30, so it was an absolute steal there, brand new, and I just love him and everything. The Hunt, I think, is just a brilliant film, and especially with all the allegations, and well, not just allegations, but actual child molesting stuff that's going on. You got to watch it, and then it makes you second guess everything. That's definitely a film I would recommend to anybody. So let's just open this one up and have a look. Nice slip case. So season 1, is that season? That's season 3. Season 1 here. I was looking at a thread on it online, and we got absolutely really knocked over on the featurettes, and apparently these are the cut versions of the episodes compared to the US version, which got uncut versions and loads of features. And for some reason, is it 1, 2, 3, 4? On looking at the on the Blu-ray website, it said there was only 3 discs, but here there's 4. So I don't know what that's about. Okay, season 2. More, well, at least we've got commentaries here, and more deleted scenes, much more extras here, thankfully. Oh, and Gillian Anderson's in it. But anything Studio Canal was normally region locked, but for £15 for all this, £16 I should say, you can't beat that. Normally one would just cost you £15. And I can't see anything on here. No bonus features at all. Which is a bit of a shame. So yeah, really looking forward to maybe doing a binge watch on these. So that's just a look at Hannibal. I'll be total blind by that, but I look forward to that. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.